Okay, so last night we installed this smart bulb because Valen had been complaining about what? Shadows. Yeah, there's all these shadows. And darkness. Yeah, so we had night lights going, but it created all these shadows, so we decided the best solution was to put on a dimmed bulb. And I didn't want to install a dimmer switch, so what I ended up doing was just getting a smart bulb. And you can make it so if you just flick it twice, it'll turn into a night light. And yeah, so just bought that smart bulb. And just flick it once. And anyway, you could set it to whatever you want. If you want it to be purple when you flick it twice, you can. You can also do when you flick it 3 times, 4 times to do all these different things. So this is full color, but we don't use the color mode really. We just want the dimness. So you can dim without a dimmer. And how'd you guys sleep last night?
Good.
And was there any shadows?
No.
So nothing to be scared of, right?
But I woke up at night.
Oh yeah. And what happened?
I saw darkness.
Yeah, so I set a schedule because, you know, even when it is nightlight mode, it is, you know, kind of bright. I mean, with the door closed, it's not so bright in here. But I felt like it was brighter than it should be, so I set a schedule, since it is a smart bulb, you know, at 7 a.m. or at midnight, you know, turn to darkness, so it just turns off. And then at like 7 a.m. turn back on to nightlight mode so that they wake up with it and they kind of know it's time to wake up. So really cool, you know, it just, you don't need a base or anything. All you need is a bulb, literally just switching out that bulb and putting in this smart light bulb. And it worked just through the app, just app on the smartphone, and worked really well. Just simple, and it took me a minute to change out it's like changing out any regular bulb. You don't need a hub, you don't need any other thing other than the app. And you could just program it that, hey, you know, I want party color mode when I flick it twice, or just, so you don't need to use the app to turn it on and off. All I did is set it up in the app and then set it up so that when I flick this twice, it turns into a night light, and just once means regular light. And yeah, no dimmer involved, and I can make the schedule. So now the schedule is it gets completely dark once they're asleep. So hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Getting a good night's sleep, because that's what I'm enjoying. Okay, guys, thanks. Good luck. Godspeed. Oh, one more thing we got was this Dome Roam sound machine. We had the regular sound machine, the one with the fan, but we decided to get one of these for their room because it kept breaking the fan mechanical one. So this is a digital one, but this one's pretty good, honestly. It gets pretty loud if you want it to be loud. And it has a couple different sounds, and you know, it just kind of keeps it quiet so if we're talking or something they can hear us. And anyway, something also to add to the sleep regime to help them sleep. So cool. Good luck, guys. Godspeed.